score going on out there at the moment. A young Jeremy Bennett, his family connection nephew of the great kid Ellis. And this is the one, this is the same, this is the original Mini that used to be in the winning battles all those years ago. Well, it's doing the winning at the moment, but can it stay in there? This is such a good story, the fact that the lead car of the great man is not in the race, just it's leading the race as well, with a family member driving it, a young Jeremy Bennett. It's all about this little front-wheel drive 1.3 litre Cooper S's, and of course the Willson twins, the famous Willson twins. They eat, live, breathe, eat, slip Minis down at the Hewlett workshop, and been very dominant in this race the last couple of years. In fact, I think one of the twins actually has made this magnificent trophy that gets awarded every year as well. But it's on, there's no doubt about it. A great start there by Jeremy Bennett, Strider, but
you need two cars to have a race.
That's exactly right. We've been saying this for years, and so James Willson is absolutely right on his hammer.
James Willson did qualify on pole and had a look to the inside there at turn number 1, couldn't get it done. 7 laps of journey, there's still 4 laps to go, so plenty of time. Doesn't need to be too impatient. And tried to have a look to the inside for the run into the bottom of the S's in turn 3. That was never going to work. Now there's ambitious. Now got a fairly good run off turn 4 as they climb the hill. He's going to get alongside. We've seen this today with Tyrannus and all sorts of things. Side by side over the top. Bennett round the outside. Hangs on. Oh, out of shape. They're side by side. They've swapped parts of the track. Good evasive driving from James Willson there. And I'm sure that he's wide open.
You're right now. Was that just a tank slap or was it help?
Who would know? It's a tank slap. I can see the fun police are out on the balcony here.
Plus the fact that they both, I think, forgot all about braking. They just shut their eyes, counted through and turned left. They just chuck them, basically throw them in there and wait for the
brake pedal. What's that? What's a brake pedal?
Well, I think that's exactly right. They just turn them in there.
Yeah, through turn 2.
It's flat out. It's all as you get.
I don't think you can drive those cars any harder. They both did a 104.3. So critical to get a good run out of here, particularly when you're racing someone who's in a very similar powered car to you. As you carry out momentum, then we'll get to the braking area. Willson, can he come from another postcode? Not this time. Going to be a great finish this.
Oh, absolutely. Quality racing from these young blokes. They are young blokes, and the Willson twins, they just I love them as they eat, breathe, they absolutely do, and we rarely see either of the Willson boys. They just sort of come out very short for the big events. See that braking just seems to have a bit more top end. It just seems to go, whoa, here we go. Seems to really hit its stride. The trouble is, as it hits its stride, it's time to roll out of it. I was going to say brake. I don't think they actually do brake up there.
I was watching them on the run in through turn 4 to go up the hill. They both put in their tail happy to get a big slide. They just kept it nailed. Being front wheel drive and pulled them straight again. They'll come round. There will be 1 lap to go. It's going to be now or never.
If he can stay close, or he's not as close as he was, well, they seem to have just go. There's a bit of front slide, bit of back slide, bit all going on.
Off turn 6, which is Moz's corner. Now he needs to be closer. I reckon Jeremy Bennett's done enough. As they work over the rise and down into the braking area, it'll have to be a massive move. No, you're not going to do it from there. You're way too far back. Jeremy Bennett driving Chris Ellis's car takes out the Mini only race. The Chris Ellis Memorial Mini only race, courtesy of the Mini Car Club of Tasmania. We've said it a million times before. We've seen it this season several times, Rosie. You only need 2 cars to have a good race.
Yep.
And we got just that.